There.
It's too cute, isn't it?
Goodness. I don't think I could be any cuter. Seriously, I'm gonna get nauseous over here.
Oh my. It's 2 and 2. Have to change a diaper here.
Huh?
Gotta change the diaper again.
What are you waiting for?
Nothing. Recording it.
Oh. I'll put the videos on YouTube.